Welcome to today's video, and in today's video we'll be looking at how to properly mark structure. Okay, I already made a video on this, and I found that video was a little too advanced, so I I have to do this video and show us how to mark structure from the scratch. Okay, so you look at the left side of your screen, see um the uptrend. Okay, and what's happening in the uptrend? We have the market is creating higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows. Okay, so the movement is quite simple. Okay, the movement is quite simple. So what do we see there? We find markets moving. Sorry about this. Yes. So we find markets moving like this. Okay, what is it doing? Creating highs and lows to the upside. So since it's going to the upside, it's called higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows. Okay, then we find that market is doing something, breaking structure. Okay, breaking structure. So that's an uptrend. Okay, market keeps breaking structure, market keeps creating higher highs and higher lows, and is breaking structure to the upside. Take note of that. Well, in a downtrend, since it's going down, the highs are called lower highs, okay, and the lows are called lower lows, and it's breaking structure to the downside. So now break of structure shows continuation of trend. Okay, anytime you see trend continuing, you know that that is break of structure. Okay, so it's continuing, so you like it, sorry, it shows continuation of trend. So if you see break of structure, you know that market is continuing a particular trend. Okay, yes, so it's not reversing, it's continuing the trend. So like we had here, okay, came down, went up, broke structure, the trend continues, the trend always continues. Okay, the trend always continues. So that's why it's breaking structure, because it wants to continue. Now break of structure happens when market takes out, in an uptrend, when market takes out the previous high. Okay, right here, that's the previous high, market took it out, so we say it broke structure at that point. So we have another high, market came down, took out that high, so we say it broke structure at that point. Same thing, and even in a downtrend, so same thing applies. Now that's what you see in a diagram, but in the live chart, market will not just come direct like that. Okay, it would look a little complicated. Yeah, to look a little complicated. So it's creating, there's something called internal structure. Okay, so I'll touch that right now. This diagram is too big, let me try and make it smaller. Okay, my my screen isn't big enough, so let's see how we can make this smaller. So from here, market takes a pullback, takes another pullback. Okay, then it's creating pullbacks, keeps creating pullbacks. Okay, creates pullbacks. So looking at this, we find this is just same thing we had here. Okay, but this time we have internal structure reflecting. So we should only look at the major structure. Yes, we should only look out for the swing high and the swing low. Okay, now how do we find that? Now let's mark our, starting from the bottom, since it is an uptrend, we'll start from the bottom. So let's find our low, that's the last low. Okay, so that's our higher low. Now we consider all the pullbacks inside. Now we want to know our swing high. Someone can say this is a high, this is a high, this is a high, but amongst these three highs, which one is our swing high? Our swing high is the one that took out the most recent pullback. Okay, so we have a pullback here. We have this pullback is the most recent. Okay, so since this high led to the move that took out the most recent pullback, that high becomes our swing high. Okay, so that's our swing high, and the most recent pullback is now called inducement. Okay, most recent pullback is called inducement. Yes, so right there. So what the market do? Sorry. Yes, market creating pullbacks. We have three pullbacks here, and how many highs do we have? Okay, we have three pullbacks, and we have one high here, two high, three high, four highs. So which one is our major high? That's what we want to find out. Okay. Oh, sorry. We should have focused on the major low first before we looked at the major high. So now, how do we confirm that this place is our major low? The market break structure to the upside. The market break this high. Yes, market broke that high. So since market broke that high, our lowest point now becomes our swing low. Okay, so that's our valid swing low. Yes, so observe the movement. If market takes out inducement, a high is confirmed in an uptrend. If market breaks structure, a low is confirmed. So that's how we find our swing lows and our swing highs. So yeah, back to the next one. We have three pullbacks and we have four highs. Four highs, three pullbacks, one, two. So where is the most recent pullback? This one. The market take it out? Yes. Where is the high that took out that pullback? That high. Okay. So we will now call that our higher high. Then we will call the pullback inducement. We will call the pullback inducement. Okay. So market now created a low here, but we cannot call that a low yet till market does something. Okay, now what do we see market doing? It kept on making moves to the upside, and finally it broke here, broke this last high. Okay, remember I said break of structure shows continuation of trend, so we now see that this uptrend is continuing. Okay, so that is break of structure. Now since market broke structure, we can now confirm this low. You can now say that that is a valid low. Okay, this is for an uptrend. So same thing applies in a downtrend. When market breaks inducements, most recent pullback, then our low is confirmed. When market breaks structure, our high is confirmed. So now that's very basic stuff, very simple stuff. Okay, so I'll be okay, I won't delete that. We still need that diagram. So let's come back here, take out that break of structure. Okay, now we will take out this dividing line. So let's take for example market did this. Okay, let's join our uptrend and our downtrend together. Okay, so we've successfully joined the up and the downtrend together. So where is our low? This is our low. Yes, so anytime you see movement to the upside like this, creating highs and lows, then market comes down and changes trend. Okay, now creating highs and lows to the downside. We call that trend reversal. And this point here, where market, this point at which market took out this low, the most recent swing low, is called change of character. Okay, then we now see that market is now interested in going downwards. So we we mark this as break of structure. So market was going upwards before, okay, like sorry about that, like this, then broke. It must break here, okay, it must break the last swing low before we can now call that change of character. So if you look at my first diagram or second diagram, sorry, if you're marking all these inside pullbacks as, okay, if you're marking this as break of structure, this point here break of structure, then you'll be forced to call this change of character. And what are you expecting market to do? Go downside. So you're now protecting here, you now put orders that market will sell from here. So you see people doing something like this. They'll put their order block here, okay, then they are now calling this inducement change of character. So since you now have that, you're now expecting market to come down like this, creating inducement, tap on other block, go down, okay, tap on another other block, go down, like that, tap, go down. But that's not what market did, okay, so people who took orders from there would fail. So that's not change of character, okay. Change of character is, as I explained here, when market changes trend and you only look at the swing highs and the swing lows, you don't consider internal structure, you don't consider all those. Now I've shown you how to find swing highs and swing lows, okay, showing you how to perfectly find swing highs and swing lows. That should not be a problem. In this other one, this is how you find a swing high. A swing high is confirmed when market takes out the most recent pullback. A swing low is confirmed when market breaks structure, that's in an uptrend. And if we have it in a downtrend, a swing high is confirmed when market breaks structure, and a swing low is confirmed when market takes out inducement in a downtrend. So just don't confuse yourself, it's simple logic, very simple stuff. So let's go back to the new stuff. So for instance, let me clone this. Nope, I won't have to clone that, okay. So for instance, at this point now, okay, at this point we have something like this. After that break of structure, we're expecting the market will take out this pullback, okay, like this, then go up, okay, but market didn't go up like that. So market kept on coming down, and we are not certain, we are still expecting market to go up as long as it has not in this last window. So we people may be taking buy orders, so market keeps on falling, then finally market breaks, okay, market breaks this low, our swing low, okay. We now call that place, we mark from the swing low and we call it change of character, okay. We call this change of character, this is valid change of character, okay. Then you now continue marking your structure like that, okay. Sorry, continue marking your structure from there, okay. So if market now takes out inducement and breaks structure, so we will now call this point inducement, most recent pullback, market took it out, okay, call that inducement. Then we will now call, where is our low? This is our low and this is our high. Why is it our high? Because market has broken structure at this point, market break structure over here, so that high is confirmed, okay. So sorry, that's break of structure. So that's basically how to mark structure, okay. It's nothing complicated, okay. So without wasting much time, we'll go to the live charts. Go to the live charts. Hope this is clear enough to understand. Change of character is not found in internal structure, it's only found in swing, in major structure, sorry, when the swing high or the swing low is broken. And another thing you should consider is, what do we have here? We have a break of structure to the up and to the downside, okay. You see, so that's change of character. So if market, now we have found our high here, okay, if market now comes upwards like this, then breaks, okay, if market now comes upwards, then what do you see here? Swing high broken, okay. So that's break of structure to the upside. But sorry, I'm supposed to call that break of structure. Now we have break of structure to the downside and break of structure to the upside. Okay, break of structure. So the second one should be called change of character, not break of structure. So we have break of structure to the downside and to the upside, like here, up and down, sorry, up and down, over here, down and up. So this trend reversal, same change of character. Now how many highs do we have? One high here, another high, and the third high. This third high broke this most recent pullback, so that is inducement. Okay, then what do we see here? This high is confirmed and this low is confirmed. Why is the low confirmed? Because market broke structure at this point. Okay, market broke structure at this point. So market structure is not something too complicated. I'll show you break of structure and change of character inducement in the live chat. Okay, I'll show you that in the live chat. So let's take let's move to the live chat immediately. Okay, so let's consider structure from this point. So looking at this, let's mark from the top. Okay, where is our high? This is our high. That's our high. Oops, sorry about that. Yes, that is our high. Now where we have this low, we have another low here, we have another low here. So these are pullbacks actually. Okay, so where is the most recent pullback? This one, this one here. That's the most recent pullback, and this low took it out. So we can now call this. Okay, firstly let me mark where we had change of character, or let me show you change of character on the other side, but let me just mark this side. This was change of character. Market was bullish and changed bearish. We call that change of character. Okay, sorry, change of character. Now we are looking for our next low. How do we know that this point is our next low? We took out the most recent pullback, so we now call that our low. Okay, we call that our low. We'll call that pullback inducement. We call that pullback inducement. Then we will find break of structure. Now there is a difference between break of structure and sweep of liquidity. Okay, now looking at this is break of structure, but assuming markets just closed at, okay, look at this. Okay, assuming this is how market close, like this market just closed at the week, that is sweep of liquidity, not break of structure. So you cannot call that a break of structure. So but this one is the body, okay, not the wick. It's closed at the body, not at the wick. So we can now call this valid break of structure. Okay, so where is our high? This point is our high. Why? Because market broke structure. So sorry about that. So you find that the price action came like this, okay, then like this, okay. Do you get that? So it's clear and understandable. Now look at this. In this one, okay, we have a pullback here. Okay, you see market doing this. We have a pullback here. I posted a video on how to identify value pullbacks. So we have a pullback there. So we will call that, is that the most recent pullback? Let's look at that before we mark anything. What the market do? Market took out that place. So from here, market took out that place. So what do? We confirm this as our low. We now say this is our low. Okay, and this most recent pullback is inducement. That most recent pullback is inducement. So again, what the market do? We mark from here. Okay, just mark that place. We are expecting market to break that place. So the market break that place, Yes, market broke that place. So now what can we confirm from there? We can confirm our high. This high is now valid. That's a valid high. Okay, that's a valid high. So looking at this, we have our high here, low, high, low, high. Then where will our next low be? Look at this. You may say this is a pullback. Here, like this. This is a pullback. Okay. Did it close? Did this leg, this one here, did it close below this one? No. So this pullback is not, this is the wrong way to mark it. Okay. That's a very wrong way to mark it. How should we mark it instead? Like this. So this stuff is a single leg move. Okay. So that's pullback. Then market created another pullback. Did this pullback take out this one? No. Had it been it took out this one, then we would have now called this place our valid low. But market didn't take out, continued. Okay. So when we found market continuing to the down, we now saw okay, another move came, and that move caused something in the market. Look at this. It went up and it broke that pullback. So we can now call this our valid low. Then we call this inducement, the most recent pullback. Okay, never forget, inducement is very necessary. If you don't see inducement, then you will not know your swing low or your swing high depending on the trend. Okay, so inducement is, we've marked inducement. Now note, now we will draw a line from there, and that line we are expecting market to break that line because it's a downtrend. So for trend continuation, we are expecting break of structure, and market actually broke structure. So when market broke structure, we now confirm this high. Okay, that lower high is confirmed. You see, so market continues to the downside. Oops, that's a long road, but we are gonna finish it soon. Okay, market continues to the downside. Now look at this, look at this. This is pullback. This one, that's a pullback. Now the market take out that pullback. Yes, market took out that pullback. Okay, this low caused a move. Okay, like this, and that move took out the pullback. So we can now confirm this low, and we can now call this place inducement. Actually, that is our most recent, okay, sorry, most recent pullback is here. So we don't even have to look at all that. Most recent pullback is here. Okay, most recent pullback is here. We call that inducement. Okay, now from our low, we mark, expecting that market will come and break. So market actually broke, and so we confirm our high. Where is the high that led to this break of structure? This high, the highest point there. Okay, so from here again, we find inducement. This is inducement, most recent pullback. If you watch my other video, you find how to mark inducement. You find how to mark inducement. So market broke inducement. So we now confirm this low. That low is confirmed. Okay, so sorry about that. That low is confirmed. Now since the low is confirmed, we'll now draw our line from here, expecting that market will take out this line again. Sorry about the calls entering my phone. Okay, and our low is confirmed. So we are looking for our high. Did market take out this low? Yes, market took out that low. So we will now confirm this as break of structure, and we'll call this our valid high. Sorry, it's supposed to be high. That point is supposed to be our high. Okay, so market continues taking out inducement, and looking at this, look at this. Okay, look at this closely. This is this is what I was talking about. This is liquidity sweep. Okay, so market didn't break structure at that point. Where is break of structure? Break of structure is the next leg. Break of structure is the next leg. So you see, It's basic, but it doesn't affect anything that is happening in the market. Okay, market finally broke structure. Then we find inducement again. Now someone will say this is inducement, the market took out this place. Yes, it's correct to mark it like that, but when it took it out, created low. Okay, look at this. We find that market still came up again and swept that high. Okay, since market swept that high, we will not regard this point as, had it been market closed with a candle body, we would have called it change of character, but since it's just a sweep, okay, that point is just a sweep. It is not change of character. Okay, it's not change of character, it's liquidity sweep. So we are expecting market to, is a strong confirmation that market will continue going to the downside. So where is inducement here? This is inducement. Okay, this point is inducement, most recent pullback, and market broke structure again. Market broke structure again. So what are we looking for here? We have inducement right here. So we're expecting market to do what? Oh, sorry, I was supposed to confirm my low and my high. Sorry about that. So where is our last low? This point is our last low, and this point is our high. Okay, so what did we see market doing there? We saw that market came back and took out this high. So that is valid change of character. Now the trend has changed. Okay, the trend has changed. So that's change of character. Very simple to understand. Okay, so from change of character you continue marking structure to the upside. Okay, then it's that easy. So this is now our low, and after that low we now have to find inducement. After change of character, where is the most recent pullback? This is the most recent pullback. Okay, market took it out, we call that inducement. Where is break of structure? This is break of structure. Sorry, yes, this point is break of structure. So like that we see market continuing. This is inducement again, this is inducement again, then break of structure to the upside. So it's just creating highs and lows, highs and lows, highs and lows. But to confirm those highs and lows, you have to understand inducement and break of structure. So this is our low as I marked here. Where is our high? Our high is this point that took our inducement. Okay, so let me mark that as our high. That's our high. This is our low. The point that broke structure is our low. Okay, so where is our next high? This is a single leg move, like this is a single leg move. So our next high is here. That's our next high. Where is our next low? The lowest point that caused this break of structure. So this will be our next low. Okay, so that's everything about market, marking market structure correctly. You can see my change of character, you can see marking inducements, and I'm not marking internal structure. So we now find our swing highs and our swing lows in an uptrend and in a downtrend successfully. So that's all for today. Thank you very much. Please make sure you like and subscribe. I'll be posting more videos and more interesting content that would help your trading experience. So thank you. Do well to and like and subscribe. I'll say that again because it's very very important. Okay, and you can also recommend these videos to your friends. Maybe you have a friend that wants to learn trading and is having difficulties. Okay, just do well to share this video and also follow up for more videos. Thank you very much.